Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations, and today I have some happy mail from JanetKay, and I will link her channel down below. It's a surprise happy mail, it's birthday mail, so thank you so much JanetKay. This is so sweet, and I'm going to attach this to another video that I have in my queue here, so it'll be another video attached. So let's open it up. Little bag has some goodies in it, and let's look at this. Ooh, we got some coloring books. I need more of these. This one says City Escape to New York, and it has some. That's where I'm from, right there. And Philadelphia. This is beautiful. And it's easy coloring too. I love that. Hong Kong. That is super sweet. Thank you. And then we got this Mindful Meditation Mandela coloring book. And I love these too because I love the color, the changes and the color effect on them. Super, super nice. Thank you so much, JanetKay. I love these coloring books. And I have nice coloring pencils and some more. Love them. Thank you for thinking of me. And then we got this bag. I think it's tea. You got Immune Stress and black cider. Blackberry cider. Ooh, I like that. Elderberry. And we got lemon ginger. I'm still working on the tea she sent me. They're so yummy. Blueberry chamomile. Nighty Night Extra. Chamomile vanilla. Got a couple of those. Lemon ginger. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Elderberries, yum. Pineapple, moringa. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. I like pineapple. And some more yummy tea, passion. Oh my goodness, I got tea spoiled here. So thank you very much, JanetKay. I so appreciate that. And I love this cute bag too. It's so cute. All right, everyone. I will link JanetKay's video down or channel down below in the description box. Go show her some crafty love. So thank you again, JanetKay, for the coloring books. I really like them, and I love my teas. And there'll be another video attached to this. All right, everyone. Take care. Stay safe. Bye. Some happy mail, and then I also have my Kawaii box that came in, so I'm pretty excited about that. First, I would like to give these ladies a proper shout out. They were forwarded into my new mail. Apparently it was sent to my old address. My apologies, because we had just moved in September. So you both will be getting something from me in the mail, being maybe a Valentine's card or something. So my apologies to Brenda's Creations and Kathleen Merkovich Robinson. And I will be linking both these ladies' channels down below in the description box. So let's open Kathleen's and look at the cute sticker. It says Merry Christmas. And I am so sorry. I would have never ignored anybody's cards or letters or anything, mail. I'm so blessed that you guys thought of me. And it says, oh, what fun. Look at how pretty this card is. And it says, Merry Christmas, have a happy new year, love and friendship, Kiki. And it says, hope your holidays are very merry and always bright and filled with reasons to smile. Thank you so much, Kiki. I will definitely be sending you something, my friend. I am so sorry, and the card is beautiful. Thank you, thank you. All right, and the next one I got was from Brenda's Creations, And I apologize, Brenda, for not getting your card and a proper shout out. And I will definitely be sending you something as well. And there's this cute sticker on the back. Okay. And it looks like I got a homemade card. Isn't that sweet? It says, "Give joy." And look how she put some bling on it. And then she layered it. It is so pretty. So, oops. Let's open it up. It says, "Pamela, wishing you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May 2022 bring you lots of happiness, good, and health. Brenda's Creations." I love Brenda, Brenda's Creations. Aw, your card is beautiful. And then she gave me some goodies. Aw. So a tree. I don't have any of this. And she did a Merry Christmas sentiment. And then there's Merry. And Christmas. Hope. And joy. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I apologize so very much for not getting your card in time and not giving you a proper shout out. Just so you know, my address is also in my description box, my new one. So if anybody is interested in that, it is there. And these beautiful ladies sent me these cards, and I so appreciate you both for thinking of me. Thank you. One of them today, one today is January 15th, and I got the other one, I think, on the 13th. So that's how long it took to get forwarded here. So, yeah. So, okay, so I'm going to move this over, and we're going to open up our Kawaii box. Alright, so here's my Kawaii box, and they give some information on that. Get a free Kawaii gift with any other purchase, and talks about cute year ahead. And this is box number 45, and I love the tissue paper they put in there. So let's open it up and see what we got. So looks like we got I'm thinking it's tissue paper. Yep, tissue paper. So there we go. And then I got a plushie. How adorable. So here's my plushie. And it is, I'm not sure what it is. My daughter is learning Japanese. But isn't that cute? And then we got, looks like a bracelet. And we got, we got a little, it's like a keychain. Look at that girl. Isn't that adorable? I thought it was so cute. And then Charm Collection, Volume 2. So I have Winter Stroll? Yeah, Winter Stroll. Sorry for the shadow. And then we got some Gummy Snacks, and I can't eat them, so I'll be giving these to my daughter. She can have them. Aren't those yummy? And I got looks like a notebook. Sweet baby. Adorable. And this is a photo frame. How cute. And that's what it looks like in the back. And then this, what is this? This is, I'm not sure what it is. Just a second. So this is what you can make with it. Looks like some like little clay, and you can make a bee with it. And then it comes in this set here with a straw And then there's the face, or the little sparkles with the face and everything you need to make with it. So I like my box. Isn't this adorable? So this is my Kawaii subscription box for the month of January. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Please go check out Brenda's Creations and Kathleen Merkovich Robinson. And I hope you all have a blessed and great day. Bye, everyone.